Hello everybody, today I will be showing you my new project car, Agent Orange. It is a 1997 Mitsubishi Eclipse RS, and here we go. Alright, I bought her for $875. This was all broken off before. I went and fiberglassed it all back together and painted it black. Before it was this blue color. Before I bought the car, the previous owner, he decided he only wanted the front side rims to be like that and left the stock, which are shitty. In there, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but my drum brakes are pretty rusty. I'm going to have to replace that. We're going to have to get a cover on this because it's all flapping open whenever it feels like it. This is all broken, but it still works, so it's okay. I have a huge exhaust on it, but the problem is it's kind of like sideways, and it didn't actually come out the hole that it was supposed to, and for that there's a bunch of black on there. It snowed yesterday, guys, so bear with me here. They actually put this door on before they painted it. They did not put this back on, however, so I have to open it like that. So I just took that off. I've been kind of gutting the car out, so I actually have this right here. And I have the back seat, but not right now. It's in my house. The seat's broken. Don't know how the hell they did that, but I took off most of the paneling in the back. Kind of left the front. And they painted this blue, of course, so I have to repaint that. And let my dog in here, guys, and then I'll start it up for you guys. Alright. Here, we'll pop the trunk and see if we can pop the trunk at least. Kind of hard. Alright. Yeah, I gotta replace that all in there. It got rusted through. There's my little stick to hold this thing up, but I'm not gonna hold it up. I'm gonna put it back down. But yeah, I stripped all the back out. There will eventually be two 10-inch subs back here when I'm done. But that's not going to be for a while, but I will update you guys on this car every time I do something to it. For now on, I haven't really had time to make up videos. Just been doing my own thing. Pop open the hood. Alright. So here we are. God, ducks are annoying. Alright, my power steering kind of leaks, so I have to check it. Yeah, it was completely full because I filled it. Of course, duh. Okay. Alright. I have to take everything out here, the Mickey Mouse and all that shit. That's weird. Oh yeah, no stereo. They took all the speakers out. Except for the shitty stock ones that I'm gonna take out anyway. The headliner, they fucked that up, so I have to do that too. I have a bad starter in it, and the engine smokes really bad. Has to let it warm up. It starts really, really hard when it's cold. Really hard. I have a brake light and a check engine light on. That's because my engine has bad rings in it and it smokes like crazy. That's why I'm getting a replacement engine. I've actually just bought that, and I'm going to take this car in to get it, get the new engine put in it, actually this weekend. And I should have it back probably right after payday next Thursday, which it's Tuesday right now. Yeah, see, now she doesn't sound too bad. But yeah, look at this thing. It's just smokes and smokes. Yeah, they didn't have any covers on those either, so that's how that is right now. I'm gonna get a new battery, and I'm actually gonna replace all this with stainless steel. Get a new air filter, an aftermarket one. Gonna probably run it all the way down there and kind of have it poke out somewhere around here, so it gets a lot of airflow to it. It's really not a bad car. It's actually a really nice car, but you know, when you have people that don't know what they're doing, and you know, they try and make it look really cool, and they just make it all dumb like this. The only reason I'm replacing the door, I'm actually gonna have electric doors in here, and the reason is because that one has a perfectly manual thing. And then with this one, what they did is they actually, see that little hole right there where the roller upper is supposed to go? Yeah, they had this in it, and they had one aftermarket speaker in here. It was like right here, and they had the speaker. They had a 6x9 in there. It was gigantic. So I put it in my truck. It's not really a truck, it's a Nissan Pathfinder. But yeah, my gauge, what the fuck? Why is my gauge not working? Yep, so well, this is my project car, Agent Orange. Glad you guys can meet her. I'll be posting videos like crazy. Please comment, subscribe, and all that stuff. You know, you guys can send me comments or give me ideas of what I can do to this car. I'm gonna eventually put a turbo in it, but right now I'm just gonna keep it stock because I do not have a lot of money. Anyway, thanks guys. Comment, subscribe.